Crypto Morning TA. Good morning, everybody. It's July 13th, 2021. My name is Piano Matty B. And this is your Morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Rejection comes in many ways. For some, it's simply not getting that girl or guy. For others, it's not getting that job or promotion that you thought you so deserved. Now, we all know that life isn't fair. You may have deserved that job, yes, but Johnny's dad plays golf with the boss, and Susie is a head-nodding perma-agreeer whose real talent is her ability to laugh at all the boss's stupid jokes. In this life of fair or unfair, these things play into why and why not one might be rejected. And that's why I find comfort in charts. When you get rejected, it's because you tested levels of resistance. Now that's fair. Zamboni, bring up that daily chart. Yesterday, we were waiting outside the boss's office, chit-chatting with his newly hired secretary. Are they still called secretaries? I don't know. Doesn't matter. She's so wildly attractive, you can barely look at her anyway. So we're waiting to get that promotion, or in this case, break resistance at the 38% fib level of 34.4. And while the boss blew a bunch of smoke up our ass, telling us how he admires our stick-to-itiveness and we have upper management written all over us, he rejected us. Ouch, it hurts. Especially after the great weekend we had. Remember? All the nightclubs we hopped? And all the good people we met. Now, I want to paint a picture of what could happen if we price action. Stop believing that we are worthy of that promotion and maybe we should just give up. Our first step down Doubter's hallway would be the 23% fib level, or 32,400. We've already looked down that hallway and that office yesterday. We said, no, I'm not ready for those people yet. Now, if we extend the fibs down Doubter's hallway, our next office will be the 23% level of 31,500. And at this point, it would be safe to say that we've broken out and down out of our triangle of self-doubt. We'll likely see a bounce as we start internalizing what it is to succeed and what it takes to be a winner in this world. But if we break this level, and I'm just painting a picture here, our next stop is the channel support level of 30,000. Just so happens to be the 38% fib extension. You see, Uncle Fibonacci, he's everywhere. He's in your workplace. He's in your dreams. Now if, and I'm saying if, not when. I'm just playing the piano here. If we break down past the 30K level, I think of the great Vince Lombardi, who said, and I quote, "You show me a good loser and I'll show you a loser." So as you contemplate whether that makes any sense at all, we're going to start Tootsie dipping. And that's not the technical term for testing support, it's just more fun. We'll be Tootsie dipping the 50% fib level of 29.3. And if you're so darn tootin', the 61 fib level of 28.4. And I know what you're saying. You're saying, Piano Matty B, why you gots to? Why you gots to? And the answer is, I don't gots to. I'm just painting a picture of what it's like to be okay with losing in life. And I'm not okay with losing in life. And I know you're not okay either. But sometimes in life we get rejected. And that's a fact. And listen, we've been in Chop Suey for almost 2 months now. That's a long time. But it's also a chance to level up your game, accumulate. Not just dollar cost average, but accumulate knowledge. Learn a little more about how the markets work, what pushes them up, what keeps them down. So when it comes time for you to invest your hard-earned gaish, you can pull your own trigger with confidence and know you don't get blind pulling your own trigger, no matter what they say. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected elites. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. Bitboy Crypto Morning TA. Cha-cha-ching.